Yo, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but welcome back. I have a minor, maybe moderate, maybe major problem. It's typical. Now, I need you to come closer. A BMW, if you don't have your typical coolant leak, yes, this is a B58. Had the car for 1 year, and I've officially come across my first problem, which is the coolant leak. Very little, as you can see. Hold on. Boom.
Welcome back to my YouTube video. Today we're going to be replacing this coolant expansion tank. It has gone bad, and by bad I mean I constantly pour coolant to it every day. Yeah, whatever. Source of the leak was down there. I will throw a video of it. It's actually leaking from the sensor, so we're gonna go ahead and get that swapped out. But first, you're gonna have to remove this, and then I'll show you the part that I got. Boom. Comes with a cap, aluminum, so nothing breaks. I believe our our expansion tank is leaking from here. Won't know till we remove that part. Okay, this one is a E14. Boom. That's all you need. 17 on this thing. Okay guys, so I'm doing more work. I'm watching the video as I go, but in order to get this small evap tank out so we can get more room under there, we have to pretty much undo this, whatever, I don't know what that's loose, whatever this is. Something with the ECU. The video I was watching shows that the dude unplugged it. However, I did not, unplug it, because I did not unplug my battery. So, as you can see, we're able to unplug it from an actual mount. It just slides off this way. No need for pick tool. Okay, I unclipped the stuff up here. I already put the hoses away. I'm gonna remove it so I can see the clips in the bottom better. I'm not gonna risk it by pulling it up and probably break something down there, especially if the sensor's right here. Alright, so we're gonna just not cookie cut, but we're gonna remove all of these. Boom, 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 boom. I believe there's like 13 of them. Boom. There's a big old air snorkel. Boom. As you can see, the tank is gone bad. That seal is bad. This is, I think this is still good. It's just leaking, so it looks like that. But you can see where it's wet, it's leaking from the actual sensor itself. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. So this clip right here. Slowly remove. we unclip the sensor I'm letting over there so it doesn't get wet or anything. That has coolant, obviously. Only thing is preventing it from, we're gonna go from the top. We're gonna push this and this, it'll go up and out. Obviously, we also have a guide right here. This purple guide right here, that will just pop out. But that'll pop out when we get these two guides out. So. Pop this out of the pivot point. That's it. There is the, okay, it's definitely not coming from my sensor. Not sure where the leak's coming from, but just so you're aware, this expansion tank, as you can see, look at the seals all around it. It is obviously failing. Even right here. And this cap, see how there was play in it? No good. Like, looking at it, looks like the majority of the coolant leak is right here. So hopefully there's no more of that. And yeah, just so you guys have a better overview of what's going on. It's gonna slide from here and here. There's this part right here. You need to pull it out. But there's a flathead that you just pry this out, and then these two things that were holding it down, it'll lift up and out. Easy does it. Alright guys, so we're gonna start from the bottom. All it does is exactly what it should, just clip on. We're done right here. All right, make sure this is seated. Tug on it, make sure it doesn't come down. Make sure the sensor is seated. This should hook on, and the pivot point is good. Carefully clamp it. This hose belongs to this. Finally, this last piece right here. If you don't hear anything click, that's okay. That's what these are for. And like I said, this thing, this piece right here, as you can see, it just slides in and out. So, oh, my bad. This piece right here, this long piece. But yep, these clip on. Make sure these are good. Boom and boom. Okay, the expansion tank is on. We're gonna replace this whenever the part comes in and prime this and let her warm up and start her up. Cool. Thanks for watching.